that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land and of the free and the home of the brave? Pour le pays, pour les ancêtres, marchons unis, dans nos rangs, loin de traîtres, du sol, soyons seuls maîtres. Marchons unis pour le pays, pour les ancêtres. Marchons unis pour le pays, pour les ancêtres.
Good evening, bonsoir à tous. C'est un grand plaisir pour nous de vous accueillir. Dans les yeux des étudiants, nous voyons des étincelles. Et dans les lèvres des parents, des invités et le doyen de l'Institut, nous voyons un sourire attrayant. Et nous devons être tous très heureux ce soir. Et avant de débuter et de passer le doyen pour recevoir le maire de la ville, il est temps que nous demandions au Seigneur d'être là dans notre présence. Et c'est un honneur de vous passer le pasteur Jonas Beauvoir dans l'invocation d'ouverture. Oh, c'est le pasteur Jean-Marie Clairvaux. Merci.
Prions le Seigneur. Roi des siècles, immortel, invisible, Dieu puissant, nous sommes réunis dans ta présence. Nous voulons te demander, Seigneur, de prendre place parmi nous, de faire ce que nous ne pouvons pas faire, de bâtir une nouvelle communauté, de nous recevoir, car nous sommes tes enfants. Nous vivons dans un monde chargé de mauvais jours, dans un siècle angoissé, troublé. Seigneur, nous ne pouvons rien faire sans ta présence. C'est pour cela que nous te demandons d'être ici avec nous, assiste-nous. Nous te demandons toutes ces choses dans le nom de Jésus, ton Fils, qui vit, qui règne au siècle des siècles. Amen.
Et je suis heureuse ce soir, alors que nous sommes en train de vous accueillir, d'accueillir sur le podium le visionnaire, le pasteur, le docteur, le doyen de l'Institut, docteur Thomas Saint-Louis, pour dire un bonsoir à tous les dignitaires et pour recevoir le maire de la ville de Waltham.
Thank you, Attorney Millen and Pastor. You may be seated. Good evening, everyone. It is a pleasure for me. It is my Joyce, impeccable Joyce, to be here this evening at the solemn occasion of our third promotion of graduated of NCC, International Ministry Institute of Academy. Joyce is mine. It should be yours also. We are honored to have the honorable pastors with us this evening. Reverend Ducor, our choir director, the choir, and all of you. I want you to feel home at New Covenant Church of Cambridge. We have the particular honor to have this evening queen of the city of Waltham. Put your hands together for the queen of the city of Waltham. She is none other than the right mayor for many years, Janet McCarthy. She was there with us 13 years ago. Even though she informed us that this church used to be her mother church. So she grew up, she been baptized in this church. Give her a hand for that. All that. And while the mayor is approaching, I'm asking the usher to escort the mayor and she came when we were cutting the ribbon to enter officially at this building. She said, "Welcome to the Haitian people in Waltham, to the New Covenant Church of Waltham." And we opened New Covenant Vision Center. When we opened the school, the mayor were there to cut the ribbon of the school. Anything that we are doing, Mayor Janet McCarthy with us. One thing you should know that she doesn't need escort or even security. She worked herself here. And she's like this. I am honored. And she was here before anybody here. 5:30. We are so blessed to have you, my good friend, Mayor McCarthy, to be here with us. Thank you for coming. I want to make sure that when you're ready to leave, you not leave alone. Now I have an escort with a limo to take you back home. You can come and sit.
I'm good, Reverend. Do you want me to do the proclamation now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, please. And greeting and do the.
Good evening, everyone.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Here we go. Stay right here, Father. Thomas, St. Louis. City of Waltham, Massachusetts official proclamation. Be it hereby proclaimed that I, Jeanette A. McCarthy, Mayor of the City of Waltham, extend my congratulations and best wishes to the Institute and Academy of the New Covenant Church, and I say of Waltham, in recognition of the Celebration of Education 2018, the graduation of your third class, and the 50 students that have benefited from this wonderful program. I congratulate all for their hard work and dedication. Given this 18th day of November 2018, Waltham, Mass., Jeanette McCarthy, Mayor. Now that's for you, Father. I just wanted to say one thing. The last time we were at the Waltham Historical Society, and the pastor was talking about how wonderful an opportunity he has to have this church. But I want to say this to you. We are blessed that you're here in Waltham and growing. So I want to thank you for all of your ministries for the education, your ministries for the elderly, your ministries for the youth, because you get it. And you're doing God's work, and I'm happy to be here and celebrate with all of you. And thank you for continuing to keep this church alive. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, dear Mayor. Thank you.
And